finding n term of a given linear sequence. To find the n term of a given linear sequence, let the nth term of a linear sequence be x plus yn. Now in this case, we have x plus yn as the n term, and we can write it as Tn equals to what? X plus yn. Now, let's have a structure like this. We have here n, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. We are just considering the first 3 terms. Here we have nth term, and here we have difference. Now, when n equals to 1, what will be the value of this? We have x plus y into 1. Anywhere we see n, we put 1. This will give us x plus y. Now the next one we have, anywhere we see n, we put 2. We have x plus y into 2. And this will give us x plus 2y. Anywhere we see n, we put 3. X plus y into 3. And this will give us x plus what? Y times 3, that is 3y. So in this case, we need to get the difference. The first difference here, x minus x, that is 0. Then 2y minus y will give us y. And the next one here, we have x minus x. What are we having? That is 0. And 3y minus 2y, we have y. We can see that the difference between consecutive terms are the same. So, in solving some problems, we are going to be using x plus y and y. Now, let's take examples. Find the nth term of the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 3 dots. So these are an infinite sequence. Solution. Now from here we have what? 1, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then we have 3 dots. Now, the first thing we need to do, we need to check the difference. And for a linear sequence, the difference between consecutive terms must be the same, and it's called the common difference. Now the difference here, 3 minus 1, 2. That is the third term minus the second term. What are we having here? Is also 2. Here we also have 2, and here is also 2. Now, it means that based on what we have analyzed here previously, what is y? Your y equals to 2. That's difference. And now, in this case, this one that we have here, the first term here represents this x plus y. So it means that x plus y equals to 1. So the next thing for us to do, since we know the value of y to be equal to 2, we substitute y equals to 2. So we have x plus 2 equals to 1. And this implies that what? X equals to, by the time you take 2 to the right hand side, we have 1 minus 2. So x equals to minus 1. Now, what is now the n term? The n term can be written as what? Tn equals to what? X plus yn. So what is x? X equals to -1. And what is y? Y equals to 2. So we have 2n here. So it means that the n term of this sequence is 2n minus 1. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.